I'm drowning, I can't swim. Welcome back. So we are at the Arte Museum here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and it's going to be an interesting experience, something new that we never tried before, and we're looking forward to it.
Yeah, so it's supposed to be like a real experience where you get immersed into the artwork. So there's supposed to be water, there's supposed to be waves, there's supposed to be like animals, like you're in a jungle, you get to draw your own animal.
It's gonna be wow.
And you see it come to life, so really looking forward to it. Every room is its own little universe. First stop, Waterfall Infinite. Imagine stepping into a room where waterfalls cascade from every direction. Walls, floors, ceiling, all thanks to this mind-bending digital art. Listen to the sounds. It's like you're literally in the waterfall.
I'm drowning, I can't swim.
If you're into flowers, you're gonna love this one. Look at these gorgeous roses. This room is drenched in vibrant hues and delicate petals. This just creates a dreamy, love-infused atmosphere. But there's also a little girl in me who does not like insects. There were butterflies, and I kept trying to stomp on them. Owen said I'm crazy. I'm not crazy, just a little bit dramatic. And now for the whale exhibit. There are crashing waves, deep ocean sounds, and this majestic whale just doing its thing. Slow, graceful, and totally hypnotic. For a second, you might actually forget that you're still in Vegas. I did. Now let's enter into a sacred, mystical forest where these beautiful flowers open just with a slight touch. But these flowers don't last forever. As you step into the next room, you're entered into this forest covered with snow, hiding from white tigers and these ghostly, translucent animals, and deer just gracefully appearing and disappearing. It's a little bit scary. I think he senses that he's being watched. If you're enjoying our summary so far of the Arte Museum, please take a second just to like and subscribe. Now, this part of the exhibit may have been my favorite. The little girl in me got a chance to color her own animal. I'll put it on the scanner next. Once it's scanned into the system, it's gonna appear on the wall. Now, how cool is this? Our Lead by Living travel lion has come to life. This is a digital zoo where you are the creator. Star. This room is straight up magical. Picture dozens of glowing lanterns hanging from the ceiling, slowly pulsing with light like stars caught mid-fall. Now throw in mirrored walls and floors, and it just feels like you've been dropped into a dreamy, infinite galaxy made of glowing rain. The mirrors on the walls create this wild kaleidoscope effect, and it just feels like you're floating in space. Be careful, don't run into the wall. Now, who's ready for a walk on a starry beach? This room is so cool. It literally looks like you're taking a walk on the beach. Close your eyes, breathe in the salty air, and pretend you're on a tranquil vacation. I'm clearly feeling it with these crashing waves. This is like the perfect moment at the beach, minus the sand in your toes. Now for the biggest exhibit, Garden. This gigantic exhibit has a few separate parts. There's the Lights of Las Vegas, Beach Aurora, and then Threads of Connection. This room is massive. I love the way they use not only the walls, but the reflective flooring, and it just thrusts you into a whole experience. Look at these aurora lights. Now, as we step into the jungle, we're in a nocturnal rainforest where the darkness is illuminated with these bioluminescent creatures. Notice their movement. It seems so realistic. Now, if you like, you can pay an extra $7 to take advantage of this chic spot to unwind with a cup of tea at Arte Cafe. Your final destination is the Arte shop, where you can purchase some memorabilia. Wow.
Hey, we just finished, and like she just said, wow.
That was amazing.
Very-
What would you give that?
I would give that an 8 out of 10. It was very immersive, just different, kind of interactive.
Yeah.
It's quite an experience. It's kind of hard to describe in words.
I would give it an 8.5 out of 10. I think it would have been better if, like, when we were in the place with waves, if they had water, like, misting in there. It was really cool.
That'd be 4D. You want 4D.
I want 4D.
All
yeah.
right.
But that was awesome. That was a lot of fun, and I feel like it was totally worth the money.
Yeah,
for that.
$50 a person. So that wasn't bad. And they have an option to be a part of like a cafe where you can make a drink. So
We didn't pay that.
We
That
passed
was
on
an
that.
additional $7.
Yeah, we passed on that. So, but just the normal admission, I think it was worth it. It was quite
well
an
worth it.
experience.
It was something that, I mean, and I love the fact that you could have as much time as you wanted.
Right.
In every exhibit, you didn't feel rushed.
Right.
And everything was so different. It was just like, I don't know, I felt like a kid.
Arte Museum, Las Vegas.
Definitely do it.
We recommend it.